In the midst of swirling destabilization rumors, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. urges troops to choose what is right and stand firm for country and peace. Like steel tested in fire, he reminds the AFP that loyalty must never bend to politics or personalities, only to the Republic. Clazel Pardilla reports.
Be true to the nation. That's President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.'s message amid the stabilization talk against his administration.
Piliin niyo lagi ang tama. Piliin niyo ang bayan. Piliin ninyo ang katapatan at ang kapayapaan.
Speaking to more than 600 new AFP officers, the president warned they will face many forms of corruption that will test their integrity, but loyalty must rest only with the Republic.
More than this, the AFP that you are part of now must always rise above politics. Your loyalty must not be for any individual or any faction, but only to the Republic.
During the trillion peso march, groups called for the resignation of the chief executive, claiming the administration is at its weakest amid the flood control scam. Malacanang quickly pushed back.
At his weakest? Ito pa bang panahon na to? Na siya po ang nagpaimbestiga? Hanggang ngayon po, maraming ginagawang aksyon para mapanagot ang dapat na mapanagot. Ang dami na po na napaaresto, marami na po rin na kinasuhan, marami na po na naibalik na pondo. Ito pa ba yung weakest na masasabi natin? Madali po kasing sumigaw na bumaba sa pwesto. Pero kung papaano papalakarin at pamumunuan ang gobyernong ito kapag bumaba ang Pangulo, ano kaya ang kanila masasabi?
The palace maintained the administration is laser-focused on holding to account those involved in the flood control scam.
Nakafocus ang Pangulo sa patuloy na pag-iimbestiga sa mga personalidad na dawit sa flood control issue at buong loob na gagawin ang mga hakbang upang mapanagot ang mga sangkot at maibalik ang mga kinurakot na pondo. Para sa mga kababayan nating sumisigaw ng hustisya laban sa korupsyon, hindi kayo bibiguin ng Pangulo.
Clazel Pardilla from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.